there's a saying, diba? The grass is always greener on the other side. But for me,
so kung mahilig ka sa kape, para sa itong video na to dahil ngayon nandito kami sa Vietnam and i-interview natin yung isa sa mga inspiring cafe owners at sikat din sa Philippines. So, walang iba kundi si...
hi, I'm Kaala Litong and I am the owner of Brew & Co. Cap.
So, ilang years na, Mika, yung Brew & Co. Manila?
So, Brew & Co. started in the year 2021. So, it's about 4 years now.
4 years.
4
And
years.
how many branches na yung
So,
meron ka?
as of right now, we currently have 7 cafe branches nationwide.
4 years? Ang dami.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so first question natin. Since nasa Vietnam kami ngayon, what's the best coffee you've had so far here in Vietnam?
Well, if we're speaking about Vietnam, I think my favorite would either be the sea salt coffee, sea salt latte, or the egg yolk coffee since we are in Vietnam during yung coffee class natin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, hindi naging favorite ko yung
Kasi
egg coffee.
it will always remind me of Vietnam. Yeah.
Okay. And then, of course, ito marami ding mga audience natin na gusto malaman ito. When did you hit your first million sa Brew & Co. Manila?
So, if you're an OG follower, you would know that when I started nung 2021, I was an online seller selling syrups and sauces. And at that time, syempre, your online selling, wala pang electricity pandemic.
Yes,
So, ako lang nagpapack in my own room. Wala pang empleyado and things like that. So, no electricity, no Wi-Fi. So, I hit my first million during my online selling.
Grabe!
era.
So, alam pa yung physical store mo talaga ng
no,
Brew & Co.
wala pa. It was just
Okay.
selling syrups and sauces talaga. Doon ako nag-focus.
Ito, marami. Maganda yung question na to, no? So, syempre, since we're both cafe owners, right? And marami tayong naririnig sa social media na baka yung iba scripted kasi nga, syempre, magkaka-competitor tayo pero bakit tayo magkakasama? So, third question is, bakit kaya okay lang na magkaibigan tayo kahit magkapareho tayo ng negosyo?
Because ever since, I started my coffee journey, my cafe business, because I am a fan of coffee. And I knew that from the very start that I love this community so much. For me, it's really not about competition. Like I've said this in my previous video. Unang-una, we all have different target markets. We're all from different places. People look for different cafes for different reasons. That's one. And second, why would I compete or why would I hate on the same community that I love, diba? When I entered the coffee journey, the coffee business, mas lalo kong minahal yung community. Kasi mas naiintindihan natin yung isa't isa. We're all going through the same thing. And when I started, it was very lonely. I would really say that. Kasi nandun yung stigma, stereotype, parang kinakabahan ka when you go to other cafes. But I really made it to a point, and a lot of people know this, that I really cafe hop. I get to know yung mga different cafe owners, yung stories nila, yung journeys nila, and share with one another. So for me, it's not about competition. It's really a community.
Yes. And actually, ang
community
hirap din
talaga.
kasi talaga, like what you said, di ba? Parang you feel lonely. Kasi ang hirap din talaga mag-start ng business pag ikaw lang mag-isa.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
So at least kahit papaano, meron ka napapagtanungan, nakakausap.
Yeah, it's nice being with people, surrounding yourself with people who are going through the same journey as you. Yeah.
Okay. So at least makaka-relate kasi sila di ba?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and last question, guys. What advice can you give to aspiring cafe owners in the Philippines?
Well, although there's a saying, diba, the grass is always greener on the other side. But for me, you shouldn't be looking at other grass. You shouldn't be looking at other people's garden. You should be focused on watering your own grass in order for you to have your own garden. So, yeah.
Ganda ng sinabi niya. In short, guys, the grass is greener where you water it. Okay, so thank you so much sa mga nanood. And thank you so much, Mika, for sharing your experiences and cafe journey. And also, if you are interested sa business and finances, you can visit my TikTok account as well. So, yun lang. Bye!